So welcome back, guys. It's your boy Keys. We're live on Apollox airdrop giveaway announcement. So currently I have about $200 worth of APX giveaway from Apollox. So each users you just need to complete some very simple tasks and you're good to go. So it says here $200 APX giveaway, share and win. So how to win: follow APX news station on Twitter, retweet and tag 3 friends, register to qualify, and there's a link there. So all you need to do is just to retweet and tag 3 of your friends, 3 of your best friends. You can tag 3 of them, code it. You also drop your comment section. Yeah, it says you can tag 3 of your friends, but we do suggest for airdrop giveaway. If you have a lot of friends, you can tag them so long they are interested in the project and so long they want to follow up with the project. She said 20 qualified participants will be selected at random to receive $10 each. So this is basically all you need to do in order to get this airdrop. So airdrops will be ending February 17th, 23:59 UTC. So I'll be dropping a link in the description box below so you can kickstart. All you need to do is you need to first of all have an account with Apollox. As a beginner who does not have an account with APX. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to attend to you. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It's your boy Key. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys.